Playwright or Puppeteer? Which tool is the best for web scraping and automation? Whether you're a web developer, tester, or web scraping pro, using the right tool can save you time and make your work way more efficient. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which tool fits your needs, and I'll share a key tip that most developers overlook. By the way, if you're into practical tech tips like this, hit that like button. It helps us bring you more content like this. Let's start with Playwright. This tool was released by Microsoft in 2020, changing the browser automation game forever. Why? It supports multiple browsers like Chromium, Firefox, and WebKit through a single API. Also, it works across many operating systems and programming languages, so it's super versatile. Playwright is perfect for end-to-end testing, web scraping, and automating everyday tasks like filling out forms or downloading PDFs. It has some pretty unique features that make it a true powerhouse for scraping. And at the end, I'll share a bonus tip that will turbocharge your automation projects. Now, let's talk about Puppeteer. It's a Chromium-focused automation tool built by Google, though newer versions also work with Firefox. Puppeteer is lean, efficient, and great for web scraping, headless testing, and automating repetitive tasks. While it's primarily a JavaScript-based tool, unofficial libraries like Puppeteer make it accessible to Python users too. So where do Playwright and Puppeteer differ? Let's break it down into the key areas. Need something versatile for cross-browser automation? Then Playwright has you covered. It supports Chromium, Firefox, and WebKit, making it ideal for projects that need to work across multiple browsers. Puppeteer, on the other hand, is primarily focused on Chromium with some support for Firefox and newer versions. Are you working with diverse programming languages? Playwright's got your back. It's compatible with a wide range of languages like JavaScript, Python, C#, and Java. Puppeteer is mostly JavaScript focused, but if you're a Python fan, you can use an unofficial library named Puppeteer to make it work. Want something simple to get started? Puppeteer is the easier option, thanks to its intuitive design, extensive documentation, and fantastic customer support. Playwright, while more powerful, comes with a steeper learning curve. So if you're a beginner, Puppeteer might feel more approachable. Playwright stands out with its auto-wait feature, support for both synchronous and asynchronous variations of the API, and support for API mocking. All these unique features make it great for both small and large web scraping and testing tasks. Puppeteer keeps it lean and efficient, but doesn't pack as many extra features. What's your top priority? Versatility or simplicity? If your project involves cross-browser testing, mobile app automation, or scraping from diverse sources, Playwright is your go-to. But if you're a beginner working with Chromium or tackling large-scale scraping tasks, Puppeteer is a fantastic choice. Remember the key tip I promised? Here it is. If your projects involve diverse data scraping sources, always prioritize tools with proxy support. Luckily, both Playwright and Puppeteer support proxies and work great with all IPRoyal proxy services. Both tools are amazing in their own ways. Playwright gives you power and flexibility, while Puppeteer offers simplicity and efficiency. The choice is yours, so think about which option fits your needs best. Want to supercharge your scraping setup? Click here to learn all about residential proxies. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and hit the bell icon. Until next time.